In today's video, I'm going to show you an app that pays you hundreds of dollars while having fun. What I'm about to show you doesn't require any investment or experience. Just download the app, have fun, and get paid. You don't have to do surveys or complete any kind of offer. If you don't believe me or think this is too good to be true, just look at all the people that are making money from this. Before we get started, if you want to know how I make my money online, go ahead and check out the website in my bio. This is what I do to earn over 7 figures in my online business, as well as countless students that I've helped across the world. My name is Travis John, and I share on this channel how to make money online with the latest techniques. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be releasing content every day on how to make money online. Every Friday, I do a special giveaway to one of my subscribers, and this upcoming Friday is no different. I'll be giving away access to my newest course. All you have to do is comment app in the comments below to join the giveaway. Okay, let's dive into this content. Okay, guys, so the first website we're going to go over is a website called dailyraffleapp.com. Now, this website is really cool because they really pay you just for playing games. As you can see here, it says Daily Raffle is a free application with daily prizes starting from 10 up to 500 bucks. So this is a free app. Let's go to the website real quick so you can see what it's all about before you go over there. And guys, I want you to stick all the way to the end of the video because I'm going to show you 2 more websites you can use so that you can increase your chances of earning even more money with these techniques. So guys, like I said, this app is so amazing because they pay you just for playing games. So here, what they do is they give tickets, right? They make tickets available, to people that sign to the app on a daily basis. And all you have to do is pick six numbers between 1 and 9. And if you win your numbers, you should match at least the first 4 of the winning ticket, right? It's available on Android and iPhone as well. And you can see, how this app works here by the app screenshots. So it says daily draw is at 1900 Greenwich Mean Time, so GMT. So every day they do a daily drawing, right? And then you get to see if you won or not. And the cool thing with this app is they actually give you hints about the winning numbers, which is pretty cool. So they actually give you hints, right here before you actually pick, your winning numbers. And it gives you like the game rules. So you need to have a minimum of $100, in order to cash out. This app is free of charge. What else? They give you the first 4 numbers in the same order to win 125, or you get the first 5 numbers in the same order to win 250, and get 6 numbers in the same order to win 500. Right? Like I said, they have the daily drawing, for this app. And the cool thing is, man, when you sign to the app, it said it, give you like the ticket option, right? So it says 7 tickets available. You get the ticket, and for this price of the 500, right? And then you just go here and select your numbers, right? And then you draw, and that's it. You just wait for the daily drawing to see if you win. So literally, guys, you're getting paid to have fun on this app. So I know you're probably wondering, like, okay, okay, Travis, why is this company doing this? What's the whole reason? Why they're giving away money? Is it, some kind of trick or anything like that? No, it's not, guys. The reason why this app does these drawings is because they sell advertising, right? So they have companies out there that will pay to be on the app. So every time you do the daily raffle, you'll get presented with some ads, throughout the process. And what they do is split the ad revenue with you with the people that actually win the prize. Hopefully it's you, right? So that's how they do it. They have advertisers that pay them, and then from there they split the ad revenue for you. So that's how they make money, and that's how they're able to pay out, with this free app. But like I said, guys, there's more apps I want to show you so that you can increase your chances of winning and all that good stuff. So the second app I want to show you guys is a app called winrgames.com. Now this app is pretty cool because they actually pay out more than the other app, and it's the same concept. You're getting cash just for playing games. So what these companies do is, these game developers, they're looking for more people to play their app. So the more people that play their apps, the more reviews they get, it gives them more chances of getting even more players, from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. So, it's kind of like, paying people to test the app out before they can actually, take it super mainstream, right? So it's simple, you just play, you choose one of the many different games in big time and collect tons of tickets, right? And then the tickets that you earn, right, gives you chances of winning cash prizes. And then when you win, when the time runs out, the tickets are tabulated and the winner is drawn. So, you're playing, you're collecting tickets, and then from there, they're doing a drawing for the people that win, right? And as you can see here, they have a whole bunch of different games that you can choose from. And these games look pretty cool, pretty fun. I actually tried out some of them, and they're pretty fun to play. So it's pretty amazing that these companies out here will pay for people to play their games. But I get it. And it's here you see the proof. Look at all the people that have won playing. People from all over the world, from Spain, from USA, from Colombia. I'm seeing where's this person from? I'm not sure what country is that, but Philippines, Brazil, Mexico. Look at all these winners, and they're winning some really good prizes. 2,800, 2,800, 2,700. I mean, this is amazing just for playing games on your spare time. So how cool is that you're able to play games and you have the possibility of earning money? As you can see here, the proof is right here. People from all over the world, just like you and I, are winning money. If I just click that button, more shows up. 1,200, 1,200. So guys, the proof is there. I definitely recommend that you try out this app, and it's really easy, man. All you gotta do is go to the top hand corner, log in, right, create your account, and then boom, start playing the games, right? Now, the last app I want to show you is an app that is free to start, but then they do charge to play, and like kind of like it's kind of like gambling, right? But the cool thing with this website is you play games to make money, and they give you $5 to start. And these games are cheap, to bet on. It's like $1, like 50 cents, all that stuff. You sign up with $5 and you check out the games library and start earning. So pretty simple. It says, how does it work? Inbox Dollars connects you to game companies who want more players, right? And then it says, what kind of games are these? They have arcade games, they have world winner games, where you get to play in different networks like poker, Wheel of Fortune, casino, Boggle. And guys, man, I'm telling you, this stuff works, man. I've done this stuff in the past, and I've won money online just to play games, especially like these poker games, right? I played this online before, and used to win some really good money just by playing, games online. And just for a bonus, man, not only do they pay you to play games, but you can also earn money by watching videos, by printing coupons, scanning products in store, taking surveys. And this part is actually pretty cool, man, with the scanning products in the stores. Hold on, let me get rid of that. The scanning products in store is pretty cool because you literally just go to your local store and just scan products. And the reason why they do this is for data purposes. The more data this company has, the more data they're able to sell, right? And the more money that they will make as a company. So they actually pay you out just for doing these simple tasks. And the cool thing about Inbox Dollars, they've been around since 2000. So that's 20 years. If you're watching this video in 2020, that's over 20 years that they've been around, right? And it says Inbox Dollars has paid out over 59 million in cash rewards to its member for everyday online activities. So you get paid for everyday things that you're already doing, playing games, looking at products, giving service feedback, all that good stuff. So guys, I definitely recommend this. Start out with a $5 account, just take it slow, win some money, and then just start reinvesting your money back on this platform to earn even more money. Hope you did get some value from this video, and if you did, don't forget to tap the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon so that you don't miss out on any of my Make Money Online videos.